Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into the world of psychology, marketing, and success behavior to help you navigate the modern world. Today, we're delving into a fascinating topic that can transform the way you perceive the world around you. It's Law 15. The frame matters more than the picture. So grab your favorite snack, settle in, and let's dive into this mind-blowing concept. Imagine this: you're head over heels for a brand. Their story, their vision, their passion for craftsmanship, it all captivated you. You wore their clothing from head to toe, but one day, your perception was shattered. What happened? Well, it all comes down to how something is presented. The frame matters. You see, the brand had crafted this image of exclusivity and artistry in your mind. Each piece felt like a unique work of art, handcrafted by the founder himself. But when you stumbled upon a video of their production line, your perception changed forever. Your favorite clothes, churned out by machines, stacked in heaps, and suddenly the magic was gone. Now, let's take a step back in time to the 1970s and talk about the Pepsi challenge. People preferred Pepsi when blind tasting it, but something interesting happened when it was served in branded bottles or cans. They preferred Coca-Cola. Why? It's all about the frame. The packaging and branding transformed the taste perception. It's a powerful reminder that how something is framed can significantly impact how we perceive it. The frame can alter our reality. When you step into an Apple store, it's not just a store, it's an experience. Apple knows that framing is key. They've designed their stores to feel like art galleries, with each product given ample space. Why? Because scarcity, another form of framing, increases perceived value. That empty space around the product, it pours value into it, just like a piece of art. Apple doesn't just sell gadgets, they frame them on an alluring psychological stage. Let's talk about WHOOP, the health monitoring wearable that's dominating its category. They've resisted adding a time display to their wristbands, despite it being easy to implement. Why? Because adding that feature would change the perception from an elite health device to a watch. It's a perfect example of how a single decision can impact perceived value. Sometimes less is more, and the frame matters. Words matter too. A B2B company swapped salesperson for partnerships team, and their sales skyrocketed by 31%. It's all about framing. Sales primes people to expect a pushy approach, while partnerships suggest collaboration. A simple word change, a huge impact. Even Tesla understands the power of framing. When Elon Musk promised no more leather in Tesla cars, they didn't call it plastic. They embraced the term vegan leather to maintain the luxury perception. It's framing in action, enhancing the perceived value without altering the product. So, what's the big takeaway from all this? It's simple. Reality is nothing more than perception, and context is king. What you say is determined by the frame in which your message exists. Change the frame, and you change the message. Don't just focus on what you say, focus on how you frame it. A smart frame can transform the plain into something extraordinary. And there you have it, folks. Law 15, the frame matters more than the picture. Remember, it's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video eye-opening, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our mind-boggling content. Until next time, keep framing your world with wisdom.